think it's the time that we go back to the old days. Me, when I used to be in school, I used to be beaten. And today I can realize it was good. Yeah? I'm serious. I used to bend and I'm beaten. The Bible says, if you don't use, yeah, all of us know, yeah, we destroy a child, right? We destroy a child. And that is what is happening. Most of our children have never seen a whip. Never. They grow up, they go to high school, and that's why they become very, very rebellious. Very rebellious. Extremely very rebellious.
And drugs, they run from Kwale up to Lamu. Many people, up to about 55% of young people are taking drugs. If we don't come up with those where we can be able to fight with drug warlords, this country will be in a big, big problem. And you know, these people who take drugs are also recruited in terrorist groups and all that. So that's another area where we have to take it very seriously. The issue of police transfers and promotion and the issue of salary in different areas where they work is very important to consider, and also the issue of their health, which of course is because of NHIF cards. But so far we have been able to speak to very many officers, more than 30 counties, and I think by the time we finish the last remaining counties, we'll be able to come with a very good report which we recommend to the House, and the House can make recommendations that will improve the future of police service. Doctors who have gone on strike and nurses, go back to your work and speak with each other, with the Council of Governors or of the people who have employed you, and I think that is the way to go. Let's talk to each other and find a way.